Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo Zelle account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up a recurring Zelle payment in your Wells Fargo account? So let's go ahead and talk about that. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a recurring Zelle payment with your Wells Fargo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes contractors require that you pay them through Zelle. And instead of setting up the payment on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis, you can have it automatically organized as a recurring payment. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a recurring Zelle payment, here on the top center, you're going to click on Transfer and Pay. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click on Send Money with Zelle. All right. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down and look for this line right here called Schedule. All right. Once you do that, you're going to click on this purple button, Set Up a Payment. All right. After you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the recipient who's going to receive your Zelle payments on a recurring basis. I'm going to choose this person. If you don't see the person here, you can easily click on Add and then just add them as a Zelle recipient. Okay. Next, you're going to get this warning. Make sure that you know this person personally. You don't really want to send recurring Zelle payments to anyone that you don't know personally, just because there's a lot of scams. So I'm going to check this box and then click on Continue. All right, next we're going to go ahead and choose the amount for the recurring payment. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to add a little. Okay, once you've done that, down here, you want to click on Repeat Payment. Okay, after you've clicked on it, it should be green and you want to click on Next. Okay, now we get to set up the recurring portion. So it's asking how often. So you can choose weekly, every other week, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. I'm going to go ahead and choose monthly. And here you can go ahead and choose the start date. So I'm going to go ahead and start it next month. And then here you can go ahead and choose the end date. So if you click on When I Cancel, that means it's going to keep going recurring until you come back in here and cancel. You can set it for a specific date, or you can set it for a certain amount of payments. So maybe you're buying a car and it's $300 per month for 12 months. So you can go ahead and set it up for 12 payments if you want. For me, I'm going to leave it here when I cancel, and then I'm going to click on Next. All right, next you're going to get the confirmation screen. So make sure that everything looks correct on the dollar amount, starting payment, and when the payment's going to end. If all that looks good to you, go ahead and click on the red Schedule button. All right, quick second later, you get this confirmation screen. So you should see this green check mark. And now I have set up a recurring Zelle payment in my Wells Fargo. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a recurring Zelle payment with your Wells Fargo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.